Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we have a pretty interesting one. So instead of just a normal sit down talk video where I'm just sitting in front of the camera at my desk doing basically nothing, I'm actually going to be going outside for once, getting some of that precious vitamin D, and going to be seeing how much money I can make from doing side hustles, online and physical outside side hustles within 1 week. And I'm going to start from absolutely $0 for anything. I'm going to walk you through guys the complete process of how I made the ads, how I get gigs, and how I start making money doing these side hustles. And like I said before, you're not going to need any startup capital at all. I'm going to be starting with completely $0, like I have no money in my pockets at all, and then eventually once we start getting more money, we're going to start investing more money into the different side hustles. But as of right now, we're starting with $0. Let's go see what we can do. Okay, so the first side hustle, we're going to go ahead and go into Craigslist and make an ad saying that I'll mow your yard, I'll pull your weeds, I'll do any of this landscaping stuff, because it's starting to get into spring and starting to get really hot weather in Austin, Texas, and I've been seeing a ton of landscaping trucks in my neighborhood and people paying those professional companies to mow their yards and pull their weeds. And so basically what I'm going to do is advertise this to the same people that are paying the bigger companies. I'm going to do a massive price cutout and charge like half the price these major companies are, and tell them that I'll do good service and show them some proof. So we're gonna go ahead and hit create posting and start making an ad. I'm gonna go ahead and create an ad and tell you guys when it's done. Okay, so basically scratch that Craigslist ad because I think it actually charges $5 to post a service on there, so I'm not gonna do that right now until we have $5 to spend. But in my neighborhood, in my county area, we have a Facebook group where all the parents and the boomers are, and I'm gonna go ahead and get my mom to post a gig where I'll mow their yard or pull their weeds, just like I said before, and I'll let you know when we have a gig. Welcome back. So we just got our first gig. We're gonna go ahead and go to someone's house and pull some weeds for them, and I think they're gonna be paying a pretty good price. So basically what I know so far is they have a decent to small medium sized yard and a pretty good amount of weeds. It's a lot, so it's probably gonna take 1 or 2 hours, and they're gonna be paying me $50 at the minimum to do this job, and they said they might have a couple more jobs for me to do after for a little extra cash. And so we're gonna go ahead and hop in that Rolls truck and go ahead and pull some weeds. Okay, I just got back from pulling the weeds. It's like 90 degrees here in Texas and it's really hot, so I went in and pulled the weeds. They gave me the $50 and they actually paid me an extra $25 to rake all the leaves in the front and the backyard. And so we're here walking away with $75, and I just got home about to take a shower, but I just got another gig to go mow someone's yard nearby, and because the grind don't stop, we're gonna go ahead and leave right now and mow the yard. Okay guys, just got back from mowing the yard, and their yard is actually pretty small and easy, and it only took like 10-15 minutes, so I'm not going to charge them a whole bag just to mow the yard. So now we're sitting with $100 flat, and like I said, we're not going to be spending this 100 at all on anything. We're going to see how much money we can possibly build up with absolutely investing zero money at all. So now we can go ahead and spend this, do whatever we want, go ahead and go on a roulette and gamble our money. No, obviously we're not going to gamble on roulette, but I just got back, I'm tired, I'm going to go take a shower, probably take a nap because I'm tired, and edit some videos, and I'll see you guys once we're ready for the next side hustle. Hey yo, new drip check. I've done a little bit of hustling off camera, and now we're sitting with a budget of just under 10 grand straight from the telly, no cap. Okay, yeah, this is all fake money. I'm actually pretty broke. But all jokes aside, this video is titled How Much I Can Make from Side Hustles in 1 week, and obviously it looks like it's been longer than a week, being the whole setup has changed since the beginning of this video. But I actually didn't cheat at all. I didn't make any money in this whole week I've been gone, at least no money for this video specifically. And the reason for that is just because I live in Austin, Texas. I think today we're going to kind of take a turn from doing the side hustles outside and maybe start doing some online. So right now we're kind of at a standstill. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do. I want to do something online so I don't have to go outside right now, being I'm basically in the middle of a school day. I'm just trying to whip out a quick video for you guys within the next couple days. So I'm going to try to do some side hustles online, but like I said before, I don't know what I'm going to do yet. So we're going to go ahead and hop on Google and search for the best get rich quick schemes and see how much money I can make. Okay, so the first side hustle we're going to be starting with online is called Slice of the Pie, and basically you can listen to music or short audio clips, leave a review, and then you get paid for your opinion. So I know we're at least going to make a couple good dollars doing this because we've actually made a video solely on this website before. It was the video where I talked about how you can make money listening to music online, and it actually works pretty good. I think I made a couple dollars just doing the website for like 30 minutes to an hour. So we're going to go ahead and hop back on here before I have my next class and start making some bands listening to music. Hopefully they'll give us some Lil Pump and some Lil Wayne songs so we can jam out while making that internet money. Okay, I'm actually pretty surprised. We just made some really good money doing this. Okay, don't tell anybody, but I literally muted my class Zoom and I did this instead of the entire class, so probably about 2 to 3 hours doing this straight. And as you can see in my account, I have $23.64, which is above the minimum withdrawal limit of $15, thankfully, so we can go ahead and withdraw this right now. And as you can see, there's literally nothing left to review. I did every single last piece of music, every single last piece of fashion, and every single last piece of apps. yeah, I'm probably never gonna do this again because it wasn't really enjoyable at all, but I mean, we made $23, so I'm not complaining, and that'll add to our balance of $100, so now we're sitting at a golden $123.64, and I actually think we have our next job ready to go. Once again, it's not gonna be outside because I really don't have the time for that today. I have a couple ideas, but those involve using my phone, and sadly, I don't have a phone right now. And the reason for that is just because I'm stupid, and I let my phone fall out of my pocket right onto the concrete, where I continued to step on it and completely shattered it, and literally half of the glass is completely missing. So I had to go through the process and ship my phone to Apple so they could ship me a replacement new phone. And right now we're in the medium waiting time where I have to wait for the new phone to get here. So for the next 3 days or so, I'm not gonna have a phone at all. So we're stuck doing side hustles either in the house or on my computer. And I guess let's go find the next one. I'll tell you guys what we're gonna be doing in just a second as soon as I can confirm how much money we're gonna be getting paid. Okay, so I just found out the next job we're gonna be doing, and we're gonna be keeping this one local. It's actually downstairs in my house. My parents want me to clean 1 or 2 rooms for them, and basically I'm gonna be getting rid of everything in one room, putting it onto a bunch of boxes so they can put it away into storage and we can use the room for something else. So I'm gonna go ahead and get right on that now. I'll film a couple clips in between, but I'll let you guys know as soon as we're done and how much money we got added to our balance. Like I said before, we're sitting at $123 and something cents, like 64 or 63, I don't remember. And I'll see you guys in just a second. Peace out. Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm actually working on something for my next video right now, or one of the videos coming up in the future, and I just thought why not update you guys on the side hustle video. So basically right now I'm actually just packing up some stuff for Amazon FBA. I'm gonna be doing an FBA video where I buy books and stuff and resell them on Amazon and see how much money I can make in about 1 to 2 weeks. I just started my first video today, and hopefully you'll be seeing that within the next week or 2. We'll see how good it does, and hopefully my packages get accepted. I shipped one this morning. I'm gonna be shipping another one later tonight after my school's done and I can go back to the UPS store. So make sure you stay tuned for that, like and subscribe, and I'm gonna go ahead and work on some more side hustles as soon as I'm done with this and a little bit later today. Okay, well, we're done. I just finished cleaning 2 rooms in my house for a quick $25, and if you didn't see any clips before this of me vacuuming and actually cleaning the rooms, it's because I'm 99% sure I actually deleted those videos off my camera thinking they were from an old video, and then as soon as I did that, I realized that they were for this video, and I lost them. So in total throughout this whole video, I think I did 3 or 4 days of actually working on this challenge, and we ended up with $150, which is actually more than the minimum wage here in Texas. And I think I did 1.5 to about 2 hours of work throughout those 4 days each, and I definitely could have worked a lot more and gotten some more side hustles, but I've been really busy with the YouTube channel, so I just want to see if I could do a little bit. So that's some really easy cash, and I'm actually going to be reinvesting this money into a future Amazon FBA video, so I can use this money to go to different stores and buy some discount items that I can flip and resell on Amazon, and hopefully make the video a little more interesting, being able to buy more stuff, and hopefully I can make more money. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give these side hustles a shot, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.